Morning guys, it is July 13th, 2020. This one here I got a call for an air conditioner leaking in the basement. So I'm going over there and see what's going on. He says the thing's running, cooling, but it's leaking water in the basement over by on the top of the unit. So we'll go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on. Try to get you some shots. Me and the boss woman, Miss Molly. Oh, okay.
It's like right here. It looks like
it might be that it's just backing up. I mean, it could be that.
Yeah.
It could be rotted.
Yeah, I've never had a problem with it.
It could be icing up. I mean, how has it been recharged? Have you changed the filter?
Yeah, I change the filter every month.
Okay. Maybe it needs a recharge. It's going right into the ground here. Got a dead mouse there. See him?
Oh, Jesus.
Are you saving him for any day or what? No?
I didn't even know he was there.
Yeah, I could cut this and then we could put the vacuum to it, see if we could clean it out. It might just be blocked.
Okay. Huh.
Boy, you know, you got an old system here, guy.
Yeah.
Boy, this thing's just floating in the wind here, huh?
That goes 1999, I believe.
99. Oh, it's got a trap on it. It might just be full of slime. Let me get my vacuum and we'll try to give it the old how you doing.
Yeah, glad you saw the mouse.
I see a lot of them mice. We'll cut it and we'll put this on there with the vacuum, and there's a trap on it. It might be full of slime. Who knows? Okay, a trap. Might be that. Let's hope that's all it is. This just goes right in the vacuum. Let's got a coupling on it and we'll just give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Clear. I guess we can try it now. Put a couple in there. Stuff's not even glued together, it's just kind of pushed together. But I think that this trap might have been blocked. I mean, it's possible. It could be that it's icing up too. We gotta check the charge. What do we got here? 99 system. He said, I bet you it's low on Freon. Jantrol. This says Jantrol, and then it's got a Goodman sticker on it, so they put a compressor in it?
Yeah.
Did they put a bigger compressor in it than what you had?
What's that mean?
We ain't looking bad here at 70, we're above freezing, so I think it might have just been some slime inside that trap. Your superheat's not bad at 24 on a day like this. So actually the charge is good, which is kind of surprising. Yeah, so that charge is fine, guy. I mean, it's not icing up on you. And the filters have been clean inside? Yep. Alright, that's good. So I'm not saying that that pan's not rotted. So we vacuumed out the trap. We got that cleaned out, which there wasn't a lot of water in there. We checked the charge. If the thing still leaks, you're gonna need to upgrade the system. I mean, you can't try fixing that thing. It's just too old.
What would be the cause of it leaking like that?
Rotted out. Rotted out from over years. You know, it's a 99, so that's, you said it was 99 put in? It's older than that.
Yeah.
It's older than that, I think.
Yeah.
I think it's older than, because it's 21, it's older than 21 years, I'm thinking. Even if it's 21 years, I mean, you can't try fixing that. Put a coil in there, it wouldn't be worth it. So that's it. I want to leave it right like that, and we're gonna let it rock and roll and see what happens. Yeah, I don't know if the new coils are gonna fit in here because they're a lot higher. You there?
Yeah.
You might have to go with a new furnace and a coil, because the new furnaces are a lot lower, you know, because the new coils are a lot higher now. I don't like the way they did this, but we got what, 6'3" to the top, 6'3" to the top. Kind of did a queer transition there, you know, or 6 foot to the top. And you changed the filters, you said, right?
Oh yeah, that's it right down below. I used to have a...
Most likely it's just that was blocked, you know, and you said it was overflowing.
Yeah,
it was all
right
wet,
out, right,
all,
right there, like right.
Yeah, because it was probably not flowing down because it was like a blockage. But if that don't work, time will tell, right?
Yep.
I'll show you what I did. I put a coupling in the back there. Oh, you got rid of the mouse. I cut it here and I vacuumed it both ways and I put a couple in there, so if we ever have to get it, this stuff's just kind of all stuck together. Well, you'll be all right. I mean, let's hope you're gonna be all right. Let it run and time will tell. I took some measurements, and if you call me back, I'll get you a price on a new system. Yeah, I don't see it leaking, but time will tell. Looks like it might have been. We're going right outside right here with it, with the line set. We're gonna give them a, and then the line set runs over there. I'd probably go out with another. Yeah, I could do the same thing, I guess. Run a new line set. Put a little 2.5 ton system in here. 17.5 inch wide. Yeah. And then that's 5 inch. It's 5 inch smoke pipe. We'll go right back into the chimney we want. Either that or high efficiency. Probably go right out. That's the driveway. Go out the front of the house, look like shit. Maybe the side here. The back of the house with it. She wants to go high efficiency. Can do that too. I'd go with an 80 plus right in the chimney. That's what I'd do. Got a filter rack already there. We can use that. Just want to get the info in case I need it.